Hi folks, this is Christine and today I'm going to talk to you about scaling. Imagine a scale from 1 to 10 where 1 is absolutely horrible and 10 is absolutely perfect. Where would you say are you right now with your situation? Let's say you're, for example, at a 6. What makes it a 6 and not, for example, a 2 or a 4 or something like that? Start writing down all these good things that are already working for you. We are going to need that list a little later. Now, ask yourself, if you're currently at a 6, what sorts of things would have to be present to make it an 8, or a 9, or a 7? Anything that's higher than a 6, basically. Again, start writing those down and create another list. Now, take a look at both those lists. Those are really crucial pointers for you on your change journey. Those are the things that either already sustain the change you want to make or that are going to help you reach the next level. Pick a few items that look easy to implement and practical and start doing them right away. And keep checking in with yourself and watch things move up the scale as you implement. Go for it.